Hello, my name is Sridhar. I am basically a social entrepreneur. I am an MBA graduate. I run an organization of my own called NGO Fundraisers, which takes care of social objectives and helps a lot of social service organizations. And my main focus area is into fundraising for them. And for fundraising, we have developed a couple of innovative fundraising techniques. We don't take the support of government, we don't take the support of any funding organization, but we have come out with our own fundraising models, out of which one model is something to do with telemarketing, the other one is something to do with internet fundraising activity. So I am here to talk to you about internet fundraising activity, but about this, Aruna is the right person to share with you that how good is this internet fundraising activity. Aruna?
Thank you, Mr. Sridhar. As Mr. Sridhar has just told you, to raise funds for social organizations, he has developed a beautiful fundraising model. And now NGO Fundraisers has collaborated with a USA MNC company from California. So this is open for all individuals, any walk of life. People can take it up as a business model to increase your income and also to change your lifestyle. So I'll tell you about this internet fundraising business for you, which you can use it. As I told you, it's a USA based business opportunity from California, and it's an internet based business. It's approved by the central government and income tax department. It is a 500 crore company operating in 77 countries across the globe, and it is online business opportunity where there is no ad posting, no clicking, no data entry, no door-to-door selling, nothing to carry, no product to carry. It's an internet-based product like Yahoo, Google. This is yet another company. You have an income potential here between 6,000 to 14 lakhs. You can even get high salary job without interview. You can grow your customers for your business without traveling. There are no targets, no boss, no timings, no pressure. It's a ready-made business model suitable for any common man or woman to make alternative source of income without affecting the present business, job or profession. And as I told you, it is suitable for ladies, gents, businessmen, professionals, job seekers, final year students also. Here I would like to invite you to come and attend the presentation. The business presentation, wherein we are going to tell you about the business and its strength, the product and its potential, and how you can raise income anytime between any amount between 6,000 to 14 lakhs, and you can how you can learn it in 30 minutes. You can start in 48 hours, and you can be successful in 30 days and get your first 2 checks in a month's time. So all that will be detailed to you in the presentation. So I request you to fill up the form given below with your name, contact number, email ID and all, so that we can get back to you about the complete technology details and the presentation details also. Thank you, and all are welcome.
Thank you, and we welcome you all.